Hi, good morning guys. So today is Tuesday. I'm preparing my breakfast. It's like second week of my cleansing diet or fasting. So this is the very healthy breakfast that I'm always eat every day. So I'm gonna show you now. First, I'm gonna have my cucumber here. I'm gonna cut cucumber. Cucumber, a lot of water and minerals. And then I have my kiwi here. I'm gonna cut also the kiwi. Always include the skin of kiwi. I brush the kiwi to remove, it's hairy sometimes. But if you don't like a lot of hairy kiwi, just buy the golden one. This is a golden kiwi that I got this time. And now I'm gonna add tomatoes. So I have a cherry tomatoes here, different color, yellow, red, and like maroon color. So I'm just gonna cut these half. And I have one avocado for breakfast. I cut it already, so I'm just gonna scoop it by a spoon from the avocado skin. And I always save the avocado seeds because I use it for massage. So I have the whole avocado. And now I have my bean sprout. This is the second day of my sprout. So this sprout is second day already. So just add it. 2 to 3 spoon guys. For me, it's up to you if you want only a little bit. So this is the sprout. I will teach you how to make it though. And then for easy absorption for my breakfast, I'm gonna add a black pepper. So black pepper help to absorb nutrients easily in your body. And for the omega, I have pumpkin seeds. It's organic pumpkin seeds. See, it's pumpkin seeds and organic. So I just sprinkle it here on the top. And now, let's eat. And before I forgot, I have my very healthy breakfast drink, smoothie. So this is my smoothie. So the half I give it to the person that live with me right now. So this is my smoothie guys, my drinks. So it's this smoothie are watermelon, carrot juice, pure carrot juice, pomegranate, and lemons, ginger, and also turmeric, and also parsley and coriander. So it's good for the whole body. A lot of loaded with vitamin C, and this is complete. So bean sprout is a protein guys. So bean sprout is rich in protein. So you don't need meat. So when you are doing cleansing diet, you shouldn't eat any meat. Only fresh foods. 95 to 98% it has to be fresh food. No dairy products. Not allowed. No coffee when you are doing the cleansing diet. And within 8 days, I lost 5 pounds already. I cheat the other day, I eat ice cream. That's why it stopped losing weight for 2 days. So, and of course, you have to do exercises to be healthy. So, this is my healthy breakfast. And it's so yummy, guys. Let's eat, guys. Bon appetit. Sorry, guys, it's very noisy because people live with me having business meeting. So it's a little bit noisy. Sorry for the noise. It's so good, guys. And it's very healthy. So always add black pepper. The whole black pepper, you have to grind it in your food when you eat it. So it helps you to absorb all the nutrients easily on your body, because when we're getting old, our body are like not producing more probiotics, especially me. I don't have my appendix. It's got surgery removed, the appendix, so that's why I need to eat a lot healthier food. So yummy, guys. I eat my bean sprout after 2 days or 3 days when it's just opening the skin, because I don't like the bean sprout that have a long sprouted already. I feel like I'm eating grass when I eat that. So this is a very healthy breakfast, guys. Bon appetit. Thank you guys for watching. God bless us all.